here with installation of the windshield frame, windshield brackets are on, along with stainless steel hardware here. This would be the wiper motor electrical coming up through the cowl gasket here, and there's a bracket there, stainless, nicely sandblasted and painted. Other brackets and things are up there. Oh, the master cylinders have been put on for the brake master and the clutch master. He's applying is that a never seize of some sort?
This is a Teflon thread sealer.
Teflon thread sealer that goes on. It'll help to stop any kind of bleeding of rust, I take it, probably through the threads. That looks sharp. So the process continues here. One of the things, new seat belts will be going in. These are kind of being set up here. He also has some more hardware down here for his pins and brackets to go on to hold the windshield in place. So, but those are waiting to go on. So we're moving forward here.